Hey everyone, and in today's video, we're going to cover online course student success rates. Also, don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe because I release videos like this each and every week. So, you've got an online course. And you might be selling it already, you might be running it on a beta trial, whatever the equation is right now for you. Now, one of the questions that I get asked a hell of a lot is, well, Stas, what sort of success rate should my online course have? Let's say you've sold 10 copies. Let's say you've sold 50, 100 copies. How many students would I expect to get a result? Well, we've got to work backwards first and foremost, because whilst you have people that have purchased your course, you can't judge your success and the success of your teaching based on the number of people that have purchased your courses. And let me tell you why. Because something like 70 or 80% of people don't even open or get past the first module of online courses, which is an insane statistic. So you can only judge the success of your course by the people that have not only completed it, but also implemented everything that you have taught them. So I believe only something like 3 to 12% of people officially complete and implement online courses that they buy. So let's do the numbers. Let's imagine you have sold 100 online courses. So you have 100 customers that have bought your online course in your space, in your niche, whatever it is that you do. Probably 80 people are never going to get past the first module, and majority of those are never even going to log in. So you can only really judge yourself on the 20 people that have gone through the course. And if out of the 20 people that have gone through the course, 10 of them get results or 15 of them get results, well, you've got a 50 or 75% success rate. So the point I'm making is your online course student success rate lies not in the total number of customers that you have or the total number of sales that you made, but rather in the total number of people that have completed the course, but also taken action on that particular course. Let me give it to you another way. Imagine you sign up to a gym and you sign up on a 6-month membership hoping to lose 10 pounds. If after 6 months you haven't lost any weight, you come to the personal trainer in the gym and you say, look, I've been going to the gym for 6 months now, but I haven't lost any weight. And he says, well, tell me what it is you've been doing. Oh, well, I've been going to the jacuzzi every day. You see? So the point I'm making is you have to take the right action and the right implementation to see results. So don't be hard on yourself if you feel like, oh, I've only got 5 or 6 or 7 successful case studies or successful clients or students, because look, 80% of people don't go past module 1 or ever log in. And you can't judge yourself on those people. You can only judge your success off of the people that have studied it, implemented it, and then taken, that more seriously than the people that haven't done anything about it whatsoever. So in terms of your online course success rate, look at it that way. How many people have actually completed it? There are all sorts of tools and softwares that you can use to see when they last logged in, how long they logged in for. One of my personal favorites is Kajabi. I have sold many courses to people that haven't even ever logged in. I speak to people a year, 2 years after they've purchased some of my online courses, and they admit to me, Stas, I have to be honest, I haven't even logged into your online course. And that just mind boggles me. I don't understand why, but look, I guess life gets in the way. So stop being hard on yourself. You can only be judging your results of the people that actually take action on following your online course and what you're teaching them to do. All right, so That's all I got for you in this one. And if you need help creating your online course, if you need help scaling, getting more sales, we have some free training available for you to watch right now. There's a link in and below this video which covers the 5 keys to scaling any digital product business, which includes online courses, coaching programs, masterminds, and even software. So go ahead and watch that. It's absolutely free. And if you would like me or my team to help you scale your digital product business, there's also a link to book a call with us to see how we can help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.